Good morning to students of class 10. Yesterday I had solved question number 1 of exercise 1.4. In this time I am solving question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Question number 2 is write down the decimal expansions of these rational number in question number 1. In question number 1, which have terminating decimal expansion. One number problem is 13 by 3125. Write down the decimal expansion of these rational number in question number 1 which have terminating decimal expansion. We have 13 by 3125. Prime factorization of its denominator is equal to 13 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Prime factorization of 3125 prime factorization of 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 या बराबर 13 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 multiply by its denominator and numerator by 2 by 5. Is equal to 13 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 बराबर 32. 32 by 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Here 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 Q is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So it is terminating decimal expansion. It is terminating decimal expansion. It is terminating. Similarly, again I describe you. Write down the decimal expansion of these rational number. In क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, प्रश्न 1 में दिए हुए परमेय संख्याओं का दशमलव प्रसार लिखो which have terminating decimal expansion, जो कि शांत दशमलव के रूप का है. To solve this question we have 13/3,125. The prime factorization of Q is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 13/5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Also multiply its denominator and denominator by 2 to the power 5. We get 13 into 32 by 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Here Q means denominator is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So it is terminating decimal expansion. Next, answer question 4 number, 6 number, 8 number and 9 number. And number 9 of question 2, all are terminating decimal expansion because denominator of this rational numbers are in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So we can write for 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 number is terminating decimal expansion. Process will be same as question number 1. Do same as one. You will find that all are terminating decimal expansion. Now I am going to clear question number 3. Question number 3 is real numbers are question number 1 43.123 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. निम्नलिखित वास्तविक संख्याओं के दशमलव प्रसार नीचे दिए गए हैं। इफ ईच केस डिसाइड in each case decide whether they are rational or not। प्रत्येक अवस्था में निर्णय लें कि वे प्रमेय हैं अथवा नहीं। इफ दे आर रेशनल, यदि वे प्रमेय हैं, एंड ऑफ द फॉर्म पी बाई क्यू, और पी बाई क्यू के रूप का है, देन व्हाट कैन से अबाउट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ क्यू। तब क्यू के अभाज्य गुणनखंड के बारे में आप क्या कह सकते हैं? अगेन आई रिपीट दिस क्वेश्चन। निम्नलिखित वास्तविक संख्याएं का दशमलव प्रसार नीचे दी गई है। प्रत्येक अवस्था में यह दिखाएं कि ये दशमलव प्रसार, ये वास्तविक संख्या परिमेय है अथवा नहीं। यदि वे परिमेय हैं और p बाई क्यू के रूप के हैं, तब आप q के अभाज्य गुणनखंड के बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं? At first we have to clear that they are rational or not. We know that terminating decimals are rational number. Clearly the number 43.123456789. Clearly the number is terminating decimal expansion. So it is rational. It is proved that the given number is rational. Now, the second part of this question is, if they are rational and of the form p by q, then what can we say about the prime factors of q? It is rational, and so it is rational, and it is in the form of q. Hence, the prime factors of q, the prime factors of q will be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. This is the answer of this real numbers. Clearly the number 43.123456789 is terminating decimal expansion, because this number terminates after some times. So it is rational and it is in the form of P by Q. If rational number, hence the prime factors of Q will be in the form of 2 to the power. If it is rational, then the prime factors of Q will be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Second real number is 0.120 1200 1240 dot. We have to show that the given real number is rational or not, and also we have to prove that its prime factor will be in the form of, if it is rational, then we have to show that its prime factor of Q will be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Two number clearly the number 0.120 1200 1240 dot is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. We know that non-terminating and non-repeating decimal are irrational number. So it is irrational. Because this number does not terminate and none repeats. So it is irrational, and the Q of irrational number cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, and the prime factors of Q will not be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Here, second number, the given real number is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. So it is irrational number. The prime factor of Q will not be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Three number question is 43 43.123456789 and there is a bar of her decimal expansion. 3 number question. I am going to clear this 3 number question. Forty-three point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of her bar. Clearly 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Terminating and repeating decimal expansion. So it is rational. And the prime factors the prime factors of Q will be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Clear? Here we see that the given number is terminating and repeating decimal expansion. We know that terminating and repeating decimal is a rational number. So it is rational. If it is rational, then the prime factors of its denominator will be in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Clear? Now this exercise has been completed. Next day, tomorrow, I will start a new chapter, polynomial. Thank you.